Hello, this is Fiona from Maven Laser. Today we want to show you how we soldering such small products of true covers in star shape. You see the size is very small, 1 centimeter around, and the thickness is 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 millimeter around. What the difficulties soldering such small product is the welding gap is too small, so not easy to find the right position. Also very complicated programming, and you see the thickness is very small, so it's very easy to weld through. Sometimes after welding and the polishing process, you still can see there is empty inside and make some holes. But with our high accuracy seal welding machine can maximum avoid such problems. This machine can find the right welding place and generate the welding parts with autofocus by itself. Now let's see the software controlling. You see, this is our software programming. This is pre-welding spots to fix your product in advance. And here is overlap spots. After welding, if any necessary there, you can have this choice. And this is welding settings. Between each spots, the distance control. Our machine can support customized solution for features making. It's suitable for rings, earrings, and bracelets, or the custom parts soldering, widely used all-in-one machine. Now let's see the machine performance. You see, this is our customized feature for fast feeding in a better way. Now finish welding, we change another part. Now we can check how the welding performance here. You see the welding place is more smooth than traditional ways. No any holes in a high efficient way.